In this lesson, we will evaluate functions for a given value. Our first example, we have f of x equals the absolute value of x plus 8. This is a function. We want to evaluate that function when x is -7. So you take that -7 and replace it for the x. So f of -7 equals the absolute value of -7 plus 8. Remember, absolute value is a distance. The absolute value of -7 is 7 plus 8. So to evaluate this function for -7, the answer is 15. In my second example, f of x equals x squared minus 5x. And we are going to find f of w plus 2. So this w plus 2 will go in for both of the x's. So f of w plus 2 would equal w plus 2 squared minus 5 times w plus 2. You need to remember the pattern for squaring a binomial. That is where we square the first term, times the terms together and times by 2. W times 2 is 2w. Multiply it by 2, we get 4w. And finally squaring the last term, which is 4. Distributing that -5, -5w minus 10. We then would have to look for our like terms to finish the question. The function of w plus 2 equals w squared minus w minus 6, and that would be your answer. Our third and final example, f of x equals 7x plus 3. They want you to find f of x minus f of a over x minus a, where x does not equal a. The reason why x can never equal a is because that would make my denominator 0. We start making our substitutions. F of x. We know what f of x is. 7x plus 3 minus f of a. So we're taking the a and replacing the x. And that is over x minus a. We were subtracting f of a. Notice I put what we were subtracting, that f of a, inside a parenthesis because we have to remember the -1 and distribute the -1. 7x plus 3 minus 7a minus 3 over x minus a. Sorry, went off the screen a little bit. Like terms, 3 minus 3 is 0, so I have a 7x minus 7a over x minus a. The top terms have a 7 in common. Let's factor that out. X minus a over x minus a does cancel. So finding f of x minus f of a over x minus a, where f of x is 7x minus 3, we find out that that evaluates to be 7, and that is the answer to that example.